That's the Mendota Bridge over there. I'm hearing a helicopter coming in, so maybe I can film them. I've had flyovers lots of times before. There he is. That's always been a trademark for me on Bigfoot expeditions, on hiking expeditions. I can't explain it, but I can be 20 miles off the trail way up north, out in the middle of nowhere. All of a sudden I get these helicopters that'll come in, they'll fly over. I can't make hides or hair of why this happens to me frequently. But of course now that we're closer to the cities, there's a military base close by here. Oh, this is beautiful. The way the leaves are just falling right now. Look at that. This is beautiful. That one leaf right there. This is the beauty of a fall, early afternoon in fall. It's October 23rd, 2016, and we're not too far behind the snowfalls up here in Minnesota. But the trees are pretty much turned. The leaves are still falling, and I think this is beautiful. Beautiful. Each leaf I see, each one of them. Wow, I think this whole picture is fantastic and spiritual to me. Oh yes, I caught one. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that beautiful? People may not find these videos like I'm making now very spiritual, but they are to me. The wind picks up. I actually caught a leaf. The beauty of the unseen forces of the wind blowing through those trees right now. The clouds above me in the heavens. And this particular spot here on Pike Island, you get a scope of the things, you would have to Google Earth Pike Island, zoom back into outer space, and realize the global scale of this planet and the life-changing forces taking place every day. I think Australia is going through its springtime as we're going through our fall. It's about 55 degrees today. It's supposed to be low 50s or upper 40s for highs if we go down across next week. To me, this is t-shirt weather. I love this. Mosquitoes are gone, no heat, humidity. I actually love it when it gets colder. You can dress for it. Of course, out here, I'm going to have trouble with this battery in the wintertime on expeditions or nature hikes because the cold temperatures affect the batteries and the hard drive shuts down on these cameras. So I got to keep my battery in my pocket in the wintertime while I'm out here. Anybody that's experiencing hard times in their life, negativity, really bad things, there's always hope. To regain that hope that person needs in their life, come out here in nature. Go off the trails, go right out in the middle of the forest, and just stand here and feel the significance of your existence right here and where you're at, knowing this is all God's creation, the Great Spirit's creation. When He created this, the heavens and the earth, you heard the biblical stories and the other spiritual stories connected to this. This creation, we were created right after it. We're connected to this. Everything. So when you're out here, you're having some negativity or bad times in your life, or really needing hope and a sense of importance of your existence, just come out here in a forest. This is the ideal way to get a grip on this, and I would even start you on the right path once you come out here. A lot. And I come out here enough where the deer are accompanying my company, and they'll come up to me lots of times. I love it. Just sharing this moment. I'm going to try to find my deer friends. I am on the southern section of Pike Island in the Snelling State Park system, just below the old Army Fort. And I always say the Lakota Memorial is over in this direction. And this island is perfect. Not only can you isolate yourself from the mainland, but you're really isolated when you go off the trails out here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I think just catching a leaf like that at the moment it fell off a tree. Everything is spiritual. Everything. I can't say it enough. This is the place to start getting your connection to Christ, God, the whole picture of the reality of this world that a lot of people have forgotten and won't identify with. So I guess I feel very lucky that I'm aware of all this.